Well guys, we just had a lunch break in Bolsena Lake and I want to tell you what I had experienced this morning. First, while I was diving the Splashdrone inside the water, one propeller got lost. This is unusual because this Well Pro Splashdrone, it's equipped with 4 auto-locking propellers. I don't know why, while I was splashing it up and down the water, one propeller screwed out and I lost it. Second point, watch out guys, fly away from seagulls. Because they don't like drones. I was flying just over the harbor and 3 of them came out to attack my drone and starting flying all around the drone, and it was not really nice because you don't know how to move. Because they are faster than the drone, the only thing you can do is to come down and fly just a few meters on the water. So stay away from seagull.